chugga choo choo, here we go. Veggie train rolling nice and slow. Broccoli, carrots, peas and corn, riding the tracks from night to morn. Veggie train rolling so fast, clanking and clattering, having a blast. Juicy tomato racing with speed, who will win? Let's see indeed. Tomato zooms on wheels so round, rolling and bouncing over the ground, racing the train with all his might, shiny and red, a joyful sight. Veggie train rolling so fast, clanking and clattering, having a blast. Juicy tomato racing with speed, who will win? Let's see indeed. Carrots cheer, go, go, go. Broccoli waves from down below. Peas roll along in a playful spree. Corn pops high with giggles and glee. Up the hill and down the lane, juicy tomato speeding train. Round the bend and through the farm, laughing and playing with endless charm. Veggie train rolling so fast, clanking and clattering, having a blast. Juicy tomato racing with speed, who will win? Let's see indeed. Side by side they reach the end, laughing together, veggie friends. Tomato and train both won the race, sharing a feast with smiles on their face.